Hi everyone. Now I want to walk you through one of the most valuable features in MyGlue. It's documentation functionality. At its core, MyGlue is designed to help you keep all of your critical information organized, secure, and easy to access, whether it's internal processes, client-specific notes, SOPs, onboarding material, Wi-Fi passwords, you name it. MyGlue gives you a central place to store and manage it all. Think of it as your team's shared knowledge base, where everything is documented in one place. It's always up to date and it's available when you need it. What makes it really powerful is how easy it is to create and organize your content. You can create documents with rich formatting, like you can see here. You can link related items. Simply type whatever you want and then use the @ symbol. And when you type in whatever it is you want to link, it will appear here and you can add it as a contextual hyperlink super easily. So let's say you're onboarding a new team member. Instead of sending over a bunch of scattered links or outdated PDFs, you can simply point them to a MyGlue folder where they can find exactly what they're looking for. That's not only a huge time saver, it also ensures consistency across the board. MyGlue also supports collaboration between other internal members of your team or external members such as your MSP. Multiple team members can contribute to or update the documentation, and you can track changes over time. You'll always know who edited what and when, which is super helpful for keeping everything accurate and up to date. Down here, we can see the built-in version control. I can revert back to any particular point in time with one click. You can see there the state of the document at that point in time. In the security tab here, this is how we can see who has access to this document, and this is how you can add groups or individual users to control who can see and access this document. And finally, finding information is effortless thanks to MyGlue's powerful search. Just hit the Q button and type in a keyword or phrase, and it'll surface the exact document, note, or related item in seconds. No more digging through email threads or shared drives. Here's an example. It'll give you a little preview on this pop-up. If this is the one you want, you can click into it. It'll take you to that directly to that document. So to sum it up, MyGlue's documentation features help your team work smarter, reduce duplicated effort, and ensure that critical knowledge is always available when and where it's needed. Thank you.